Okay, let's click on M. Blake's marker for hard drives, which selects the whole range. Then we want to click on M. Blake's marker for keyboards to select that particular one, and then double click on it, and in that box let's select red and OK. Now let's go to the view menu and toolbars, and let's make sure that drawing toolbar is selected, and then click on the oval button on the drawing toolbar and position the mouse pointer below the chart legend and drag up to create an oval shape, and then click on the 3D button on the drawing toolbar and select style 20 on the lower right corner, and then we want to click the fill color arrow and select aqua. There we go. Now click the copy button on the standard toolbar, and then click the tool list data marker for monitors and click the paste button, which we have to find again. Now right click on the data marker, and in the format data series we want the patterns tab, and click the fill effects button, and on the picture tab let's click the stretch radio button. Well, it's already selected, so let's just click OK and OK, and now we want to select that original one that we made and hit the delete key, and now we want to click the auto shapes on the drawing toolbar and point to lines and click arrow and drag out an arrow between those first two special data markers, and now click the arrow style button and let's select arrow style 7, the double-ended one, and then click the line style button, and we want to select 4.5 points, and now right click on the arrowhead and select format auto shape, and on the color and lines tab let's click the color drop arrow and select plum, and under the arrows let's click the end style drop arrow and select the stealth arrow and OK. Now let's click the text box button on the drawing toolbar and position the pointer near the arrow and drag out a text box, and let's type "Look at this!" exclamation mark, and then click outside of the text box so that we can see the effect. And now let's go to the view menu and toolbars and deselect the drawing toolbar, and let's save the changes.